So what if you had to pull over on the side of the road and you realize that you didn't actually have anything in your car to help make you visible? This was gifted to me by the brand to try, so let's go ahead and take a look. These are the Road Hero collapsible cones, and they come in a set of 4. And this is going to actually be something that I will be keeping right in the trunk of my car, which is kind of the whole purpose of having these. What stood out to me right away is just how flat they are, and they do not take up much space at all. And they come in the storage bag, which keeps everything together and easy to grab when they are needed. When I took them out to take a look, the first thing I noticed is just how lightweight they are. They are very easy to carry around, and they don't feel bulky at all. To open them up, it's just a simple matter of putting your finger into the center and pulling straight up. And they are about 18 inches tall when fully opened, and the base is about 9.6 by 9.6. So they sit nice and flat once you have them placed in the locations that you're looking to use them. For putting them back into the storage bag, it's just a matter of folding them back down into place. And then you just put them back in your storage bag and you are ready to go. They're also a bright lime green, and they have reflective collars around them, which are meant to help with visibility. And when you're done, they simply fold back down very easily, so you can put them right back in the bag and put them in the trunk of your car. It's just that simple. I'll show you a few different ways I could see these being used. This gives you a good idea of how they would be used in a real life situation. The main use I think most people would have for these is keeping them in the car in case something happens, like if your vehicle breaks down or you come across a situation where you want to make the area around your vehicle more visible. You can take them out pretty quickly and place them around your vehicle to help make things more noticeable. I could also see these being used for marking off a space in a driveway or anywhere you just want people to slow down and be a bit more aware. And then outside of that, things like a new driver practicing driving skills and backing up into parking spaces, small events, or even dog training or activities like that. And honestly, the more I think about it, there's quite a few different ways I can see these being used. Things like RVing or camping setups, construction or work zones, classroom safety, marking off wet spots on a floor or in a hallway, event setups, or private driveways. It's really just anything where you need something quick, visible, and easy to pull out. And because they are so lightweight and collapsible, they're easy to carry with you and set up when you need them. One thing I did want to show is just how visible these are in low light. When light hits the reflective collars and the cones themselves, you can see just how well they stand out, which makes them very visible in low light situations. One thing I was curious about is how these would actually hold up. From what I can tell so far, these feel more like something you would keep on hand for occasional use rather than something you would leave outside all the time. Because they are so lightweight, I would say that you would have to be mindful when using them in a situation if there is heavy winds or heavy rains. So this feels more like a practical on-hand item rather than something for heavy-duty use. So overall, I could definitely see the value in having something like this in your car. They are compact, easy to store, quick to set up, and it's one of those things that just give you a bit more peace of mind knowing you have it if you ever really need it. So if you spend a lot of time on the road driving, or you just like having practical safety items in your vehicle, I can definitely see the value in keeping something like this on hand.